And breaking news, President Museveni's announced major cabinet reshuffles, radical shift in defense, energy, health, and foreign affairs. Now in Kampala, in a sweeping political shake-up, the president of Uganda has exercised his constitutional powers to announce a massive restructuring of executive government, while Vice President Jessica Alupo and Prime Minister Robinah Nabbanja retained their positions. The new list introduced a radical realignment of key ministers, bringing veteran generals, prominent technocrats, and surprising new faces into core leadership roles. Here are the major developments from tonight's announcement. The Defense and Legal Shift outgoing Attorney General Honorable Chirowa Chiwanuka has been appointed as the new Minister of Defense and Veterans Affairs. He is succeeded as Attorney General by Honorable Sam Mayanja. Health and ICT swap in a direct crossover. Honorable Dr. Chris Bariomuzi takes over the Ministry of Health, while Honorable Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng Ochero moves over to head the Ministry of ICT and National Guidance. Energy and Transport changes. Honorable Dr. Monica Musenero Musanja has been moved to head the critical Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development, while Veteran General Katumba Omala transitions to the Ministry of Public Service. Now, diplomatic and security realignment. Hambi Adonia Ayebare has been elevated to full Minister of Foreign Affairs, stepping into the diplomatic role. A striking return to the cabinet sees veteran Honorable Lieutenant General Henry Tumukunde Kakurunji appointed as the Minister of Gender, Labor and Social Development. General Wilson Mbade, former CDF, has been deployed as the Minister of State for Trade, Industry and Cooperatives. Surprise tech and academic appointment. Dr. Lawrence Muganga, the Vice Chancellor of Victoria University, makes a major entry into government as the new Minister of State for Internal Affairs. Engineer Asimwe Jonard joins the cabinet as the full Minister for Science, Technology and Innovation. Honorable Balam Burugahara has been promoted to full cabinet rank, taking over the Ministry of Local Government. Transition to advisory and diplomatic roles. Several high-profiles outgoing ministers have been transitioned out of active cabinet portfolios. Honorable Ruth Nankabira, Honorable Amson Oboa, Honorable Francis Mwebese and Honorable Evelyn Anite have all been appointed as Senior Presidential Advisor. Honorable Dr. Kenneth Omona has been officially transferred to the Diplomatic Service as an ambassador. Developing stories. Parliament's appointment committee is expected to convene shortly to begin the vetting process for the newly proposed ministers. Stay tuned for deeper analysis onto this massive shift meant for Ugandan political landscape. Thank you. I've been Michael. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.